Kelly Wicks. I'm from Bowling Green, Ohio. I'm attending the Transportation Equity Network National Conference here as an advocate for the Ohio Higher Education Rail Network, OHRN. It's a plan to link the Ohio universities by passenger rail. And what makes this project unique is that it's a revolutionary self-funded model. I'm a small business owner myself. My main interest lies in my passion for passenger rail, fast or slow. I think it's an important way to travel, and I would love, as a small business owner, to have greater access in Bowling Green to do business statewide. The OHRN project specifically targets students who right now have high transportation costs, have limited access to additional learning facilities in the state, and have very little collaborative energy going on between universities like Toledo and Bowling Green and Findlay and Columbus. And so the project here is to connect these people physically, but then also to allow them to, as a group and a whole, for Ohio to take advantage of the 750,000 students that are learning here in Ohio already. And so then it has implications just beyond higher education. We're talking about individuals that can ride the system. We're talking about corporations that can buy onto the system. We're talking about a system that isn't based on hoping people will ride the system. It's called the textbook model. And what that means is that students, for $110 a year, could buy a pass that would allow them to ride anywhere statewide on the system 24 hours a day, as much as they'd like. And it sounds like a pie-in-the-sky idea initially, but here's why it'll work. Ohio already has 6,000 miles of existing railroad. We're not reinventing the wheel here. The cars that would be made to run on the system would be made in Ohio. The fuel that would power these DMUs is grown in Ohio, and so it's an Ohio jobs issue, it's an Ohio environmental issue, it's access for students and lower income individuals, and so it has so many ramifications along so many different levels that's why I think it's such an exciting project.
Fantastic.
All right.
Are you enough in bed on Capitol Hill?